Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to our science session. We will be starting a new chapter, that is clothing, as we have covered 3 chapters so far. So we will be proceeding further with our 4th chapter, that is clothing. We will study about clothes in this chapter. Beginning with, we will first see what are our basic needs to live a good and healthy life. See, food, shelter and clothing are our basic needs. Food, खाना, ये हमारा बेसिक नीड है. बिना खाने के वी कैन नॉट स्टे लाइफ. शेल्टर, शेल्टर भी हमारा बेसिक नीड है. हमें रहने के लिए कहीं जगह चाहिए, हमें खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए जगह चाहिए. सो वी नीड शेल्टर टू लिव. Clothing, clothing is also a basic need. Without clothes, can we go out? Can we go somewhere else? No. We even cannot stay in our house without clothes. So clothing is also a basic need. See, people wear different types of clothes. सब लोग अलग अलग तरह के कपड़े पहनते हैं. According to their culture, according to their tradition, according to their profession, according to the seasons, people wear different type of clothes. If you have to go in a party, what will you wear? Will you wear your school uniform? No. If you reside, if you are a policeman, will you wear the dress of doctor? No. So different people have their different attire. So different people wear different types of clothes. ठीक है. अब अगर कोई पंजाबी है, पंजाबी कपल है, तो what will he wear? He will wear the dress that is worn in Punjab. If a person is a doctor, he will wear the dress of a doctor, not of a postman or a teacher. So that is how people wear different types of clothes. You know, the need of for clothing was even felt by early man. हम लोगों को clothes चाहिए, it's okay. But the cloth was also, it was the need of early man also. अब early man के पास तो clothes नहीं थे ना उस टाइम पे पहनने के लिए. Then what do they used to do? They used to wear the skin of dead animals. They used to wear, they used to stitch that leaves and they used to cover their body with that leaf. So early men also used to wear cloth. ठीक है, वो वाले क्लोथ्स नहीं जो हम लोग आज पहनते हैं, बट देयर क्लोथ वॉज मेड अप ऑफ लीव्स, द स्किन ऑफ डेड एनिमल्स एंड ऑल. सो नीड ऑफ क्लोथिंग वॉज इवन फेल्ट बाय अर्ली मैन एंड इवन नाउ वी नीड क्लोथ्स टू वेयर. ठीक है, अब हम आगे पढ़ेंगे 4 डिफरेंट. आपको एक सिचुएशंस हैं यहाँ पर, आप 4 डिफरेंट तरह से कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं. Whenever we go to school, do you wear your dress that you wear in party? No. You wear school uniform to school. We wear our uniform to school that is given by our school. So we wear that uniform which is given in our school, right? Next, we wear loose, comfortable clothes at home. अब हम जब घर पर हैं तो हम कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? लूज, कंफर्टेबल, जिसमें हमें कंफर्टेबल फील हो, है ना. अब आप देखिए कोविड-19 की वजह से हम लोग सब घर पर हैं, राइट. सो व्हाट आर यू वेयरिंग इन द हाउस? आर यू वेयरिंग योर स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म? आर यू वेयरिंग द ड्रेस you are used to wear whenever you go to a party or in a function? No, you are wearing loose clothes, comfortable clothes, right. We wear different clothes to a party. हम पार्टी में जाते हैं तो अलग तरह के कपड़े पहनते हैं. We wear another set when we go to bed at night. जब हम रात को सोने जाते हैं बेड पर, तब भी हम लूज क्लोथ प्रेफर करते हैं, so that we are comfortable in sleeping. So we wear different types of clothes even in our home, in our daily routine, right. See, next is the different types of clothes worn in different seasons. First we will see the clothes which are worn in summers. हम summers में कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? लूज, लाइट कलर्ड क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं, है ना. वाई डू वी वेयर लाइट कलर्ड क्लोथ्स इन समर्स? बिकॉज दे easily escape heat from our body, right. So the clothes which are worn in summers are frock, you can say, skirt, you can say, मतलब loose and comfortable clothes we wear in summers. Next, the clothes which we wear in winters. विंटर्स में हम कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं और क्यों पहनते हैं? विंटर्स में हम फुल स्लीव्स कपड़े पहनते हैं, है ना. वाई? क्योंकि उस टाइम बहुत ठंड होती है. एंड टू प्रोटेक्ट आवरसेल्व्स फ्रॉम कोल्ड वी वेयर जैकेट्स, स्वेटर्स, पुलोवर्स, शूज, सॉक्स, ग्लव्स, मफलर्स. वी वेयर ऑल दीज क्लोथ्स इन winters. इन रेनी सीजन व्हाट डू वी वेयर? क्या हम जैकेट पहनते हैं रेनी सीजन में? नहीं. हम क्या पहनते हैं रेनी सीजन में? वी वेयर रेन कोट, boots, gloves. We use umbrellas in rainy season, right? So these are the clothes which we wear in rainy season. And now, why do we need clothes? हमें clothes की क्यों ज़रूरत है? क्या ज़रूरी है clothes को पहनना? See, clothes are one of our basic requirement. We need clothes to cover our body, है ना? We need clothes to cover our body so that it can protect us from heat, cold, rain, insect bite, dust, etc. So this is the reason why we wear clothes, right? Next we will study how are clothes made. See, first of all, clothes are made. The first stage by which clothes are made are fibers. What are fibers? Fibers are long threads. They are long threads like material, right? So these are fibers, which is the first process of making a cloth. Now, fibers तो हमने पढ़ा. Now, how many types of fibers are there? You must have studied in your class 3. Recollect, students. Chalo, let me tell you. How many types of fibers are there? There are 2 types of fibers. The first one is natural fibers and the second one is synthetic fibers, or you can say artificial fibers, right? So there are 2 types of fibers. The first one is natural fibers. Natural fibers are which fibers? These are the fibers which are obtained from natural sources like plants, animals. These are the natural fibers which are obtained from natural sources. See, natural fibers are obtained from plants. They are also obtained from animals. The fibers which are obtained from plants. Cotton is obtained from cotton plant. Jute is obtained from jute plant. Now, from animals, how do we get a fiber? We get fiber from animals too. We get from goat, sheep, camel. So what do we get from goat, sheep and camel? We get wool, silk and fur from animals. So these are the fibers which we get from plants and animals. Next, how do we get cotton? We get cotton from cotton plant. Then how do we get silk? We get silk from cocoons of silkworm. Silkworm के cocoon से मिलते हैं हमें silk. ठीक है? Next, how do we these are the examples of natural fibers. Cotton, wool, silk. They are the examples of natural fibers. Proceeding further, we will be studying about synthetic fibers, or you can say artificial fibers. See, what are artificial fibers? The fibers which are obtained from synthetic materials like nylon, rayon. These are synthetic fibers, or you can say these are the fibers which are made by humans in laboratories, in industries. So these are the fibers which are man-made, or you can say artificial, or you can say synthetic. They are not naturally obtained, they are made by humans. They are obtained from synthetic materials, right? So these are synthetic fibers. You can see the examples of synthetic fibers: polyester, nylon, acrylic. They are some common artificial fibers, right? And the clothes which are made of artificial fibers, they are stretchable. You can easily stretch them. They are waterproof, right? They are waterproof. They are wrinkle free. Wrinkle नहीं आता उसमें, सुकड़ते नहीं है. They dry very quickly. बहुत जल्दी सूख जाते हैं. They are non-porous. So these are the characteristics of the clothes which are made up of synthetic fibers. What are the characteristics? They are stretchable, they are waterproof, they are wrinkle free, they dry very quickly, and they are non-porous. So there are 5 important characteristics of synthetic fibers, right? So after this video, there is a homework for you people which you have to do in your science notebook very neatly. 3 questions are given to you. The first one is, why do we need clothes? Clothes की हमें क्यों ज़रूरत है? Second, differentiate between natural and artificial fibers. You have to tell the difference between the two types of fibers we have studied in the video. The third one is, where do we get silk and cotton from? हमें silk और cotton कहाँ से मिलती है, right? So these are the 3 questions which you have to do in your notebook very neatly by mentioning chapter number, chapter name, date and your homework, right? So please kindly do this work very neatly in your notebook. Okay, thank you children, take care.